hope you all had a fantastic day the way we had. I mean, nothing more could be expected out of this day than what we witnessed today actually. It was indeed splendid. With that, everybody is a winner. You know, all the teams. I would want to thank all the teams to participate. And by that, you guys are all winners. So I really thank team for participation and for active participation. I would also thank the referees and the commentators who really did a fantastic job by balancing the entire sport activity. I mean, it was a fantastic coordination between the commentators, the referees, to ensure that there was a proper balance. I much appreciate everybody's contribution for this event, and I thank you everybody out here.